Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the intro, we are doing a Christmas series that will go on all the way up until the end of this year. So make sure you tune in for lots of fun, family, Christmas related videos, kid-friendly activities coming your way. I promise I have lots of exciting content for you guys. So on that note, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you stay posted. So, in my last video, I took you all Christmas shopping with me because I wanted to buy a brand new Christmas tree and some home decor items, make my place look all festive. I do this every year. I take pride and joy in my tree. I get lots of compliments every year on my Christmas tree because I change the theme around. So I thought, why not light up my tree, dress it up, share some tips and tricks with you guys. This year I wanted to do something different. I already had a theme and a color scheme in mind before I even bought my tree. So I've just gone ahead and laid out all the ornaments that I have, matching my color theme, all the structures, key pieces, fabrics, and ribbons, and laying it all out so I get a good feel for everything before I tackle the decorating part. And there it is, 7.5 feet tall, a beautiful flocked Christmas tree. This particular one was from Lowe's Home Improvement. I got it for just over $200 and I absolutely love it. I've always wanted a flocked Christmas tree. They come a little bit pricey, but they're so on trend, they're so beautiful, and they will for sure last me a couple of years. So I'm totally happy with my purchase and I can't wait to dress it up. For my first step, I'm just taking my time and slowly separating the strands and fluffing the tree up to make it look more alive. Next, I like to start off with the biggest pieces that I have and place them around the tree randomly but evenly spaced out, and this just gives the tree a lot more depth and structure. And you will notice all the ornaments and pieces that I have for my tree, they're all different shades of red. There are different sizes and different patterns and textures, and all this will just help make your tree not look flat and one-dimensional, but instead make it look 3D, give it more depth, and it just looks really pretty in the end, as you will see once I'm done. Since my Christmas tree is more white than green because it's the flocked tree with the snowed onto effect, I went with a red and white theme in mind, inspired by candy cane colors, peppermint, and I just think red looks so beautiful with white, and hopefully this turns out really nice in the end. So you'll see me pick out a lot of red, different shades of red. I started with big berry shrubs that I have. Now I'm just sticking these smaller concise berries just randomly along the tree, and I step back to take a look if everything is evenly placed. You just get a better view and angle of how things are looking. You want to keep it almost symmetrical, but follow like a slight pattern just to keep everything balanced. Next, I like to start off with ribbon placement, and I like to use two different types and styles of ribbons, just placing them randomly, creating some loops and curls. The ribbons help create texture for my tree, just help to zhuzh it up a little more, and I really like the effect in the end. And look at that, I have my little helper watching me, keeping me company. And this is the best part about Christmas, is when your kids join in. They take pride and joy in whatever you're doing, help you out, and I love it. So now for my daughter's favorite part, we hang all our ornaments up, and she has to quickly jet off for a quick pee break. But I'm just gonna go ahead and place all my ornaments out evenly, making sure there's no crowding. Everything is even, nicely structured and symmetrical. And I take my time with this process. It takes a while, but you want to step back and see there's no empty spaces, or there's no crowding, or no two same pieces are close together. You may have noticed I had the tree topper already set in place to begin with because it avoids me going through all the ornaments and finding the wires and connecting them, and it's just, I find the process very daunting, so I just like to have the tree completely empty, set my tree topper up so it's ready to go, and then place all my ornaments, and once I'm done I can just plug it in and everything lights up. Lastly, I added this random giant red bow to my tree right at the top, and I felt like this just brought the whole look together and gave my tree more of a statement. And now I'm moving on to my fireplace. Since my fireplace is dark in color and lighting is limited, I want to brighten up this space, keeping the theme in mind. So I'm going to add red cherry garland around and then have some silver and gold trees to make the space look more festive and bright. So you'll see me go back and forth, shuffling things around, rearranging them, just adding little bits and bobs if I need to. And that's just the whole idea behind home decor, and I really enjoy this process, although it takes a little bit. And lastly, I forgot to add these giant red flowers to my tree. And all that's left now is for Ariana to turn it on, and whoop, there it is. The final tree is done, and I love it. And there it is, I'm finally done. I'm loving how the space came together. And now we're just gonna sing and do our little celebration dance. And I cannot wait to share this space with family and friends for this Christmas season. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more seasonal home decor videos. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me comments down below, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time. Bye.